In this video I'm going to show you why your Instax mini printer is only printing the blank photos. Now the reason for that is, for example, I will show you here. If I open this, if I take the cassette out and if you look at the back, now this is already exposed. When it is already exposed, the color is quite dark and it will not print anything on it, as you can see here as well. Now if I take it out and if you see one below, that is not exposed yet and that is still able to work. And it only happens when you take it out before you use all the photos. When you take it out, it gets exposed and it changes the color and you won't be able to print anything on that. Now make sure when you have installed it, don't take it out until you completely finish it. Only then it should work properly. Now how to fix it? Just print the photo. It may be the 1 or 2 photos that will go out without printing anything, but after that, because all the films cannot be exposed at once, and then it will work properly. Hopefully it will help you. Thanks for watching.